Hi, I'm Andy. Today we're going to go over how to do hotshot searches on the Truckstop Go app. First of all, we're going to go into load search, find loads, and then what we're going to do is choose our origin. So let's just choose, we're coming out of Texas, let's say. All right, destination, I'm going to leave it anywhere. And now we're going to put in our filters. Date any, we're going to leave that any for now, due to the fact that if you can book a load ahead of time, that's a good idea. Now we're going to equipment. We got flatbed. We're going to scroll down from flatbed to hotshot. We're going to scroll down a bit more to the RGNs, and then we're going to choose step deck and hit save. Now we're going to skip over rate per mile and mode. Trailer options will leave open. Rate any. Weight. This is the important one. We're going to put in your max weight, say 10,000 pounds. And we're going to put in your max length. We're going to say 30 feet. Save and then search. As you can see, we have 207 loads. And we want to sort. We want to sort them by price or rate per mile. So I choose rate per mile. As you can see, the arrow is pointing up. Small, medium, and large is the way it goes. We're going to click it so arrow's pointing down. Largest to smallest. Hit sort. There we go. Great rate per mile because it's not giving you all the information we need to see. But here we go. Hotshot. Still looking good, but let's see what this load is about since it is here. Alright, these ramps. Alright, doesn't really give you an idea of where you're going to, and then you're coming back. Doesn't give you that info. You would want to make sure that you get the proper info so you know exactly what you're doing. You might be just staying in town moving some contractor's equipment, which would be good. But we're going to just come back out of that, and we're going to skip through and look at some other ones here. And as you can see, there's plenty of loads here. And all you got to do is find one that looks interesting to you. Click on it. Gainesville to Austin. Posting it. There we go. Posted 550. Truckstop rate estimate says it can go for $7.96. Let's click on that. So we're saying it could be about $246 more. As you can see, the rate is on a incline over the last little bit, so that's good news. Let's flip back to the load itself. Not a bad paying load. You could give the broker a call by just hitting the call button or emailing them by hitting the email button and give them a call and see if they would be interested in maybe using a fuel surcharge as well to help raise up that rate. So you would say something like, hey, $5.50 sounds great, love to take it. Normally I would charge about 60 cents a mile for fuel. How's 54 cents sound? Broker's okay with that. That's great. Now you brought that up a bit for the drive, which would be great. If not, still $2.14 a mile is a good rate. You can also copy the broker's MC by clicking this, or their DOT by clicking here. This is a great thing to be able to do if you want to check to see if they're factorable by clicking here, copying that MC number, then hopping over to the factoring side of the app and checking them out. Let's go back. So that's it. That's the basics of how to search. You can also post your truck by going here, add a truck, equipment, hotshot, save, origin, Richmond, Virginia, let's say we're out of, and we're willing to drive 125 miles to pick up a load. And where I'm going to, you know what, anywhere is fine with me. That's good. Max weight, I'm going to say still 10,000 pounds, and my max weight is at 30 feet. Don't have to worry about special instructions unless you want to put some in. Truck name, you don't have to name your truck unless you have multiple trucks. Post your truck. There you go. Truck is posted. Now, if anybody in Richmond, Virginia, any brokers in Richmond, Virginia have a Hotshot load going anywhere, they can give you a call and offer you a load. Hope that helps. That's the simpleness of searching and posting your truck. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.